knock you down. Hey, see the big roof?
Right?
It's McDonald's. Oh, look, it's the Lion King, Simba. We're at Blizzard Beach today. It's a minivan.
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 Oh, type can look good. Type of app.
It's easier on your phone though.
Susie, stand with it. Put my phone's in this thing and batteries.
I know. Yeah, they got a lot of greeters today at the Blizzard Beach.
They don't sell water park season passes anymore.
Oh yeah?
That was a really good deal.
We're gonna sit in the shade first.
Premium space check-in.
Oh.
We're gonna be here all day. I might go check on that today.
Yeah.
Because it's included with your. I mean, since the water park is included.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's cool.
How much is it?
I think they're. This one's $25.
Oh,
How much is this?
that one's just the castle and the scoop.
You want one of these, Susie? You
Yeah.
want
Got a
that for
little
your
more.
prize?
Yeah.
20
Okay.
bucks. Okay.
Let's do that one. And it's collapsing on right now. I want this.
Thinking they got a Lightning McQueen towel.
Minnie Mouse.
Yeah. You like the purple one?
Yeah. I added
Yeah.
the other day.
Is it a water tattoo?
They have the buttons too.
Oh, that's
Isn't that
cool. Yeah, okay. Oh, cool. Kid summer. All right. Let's go find us a spot. Ooh, it's cold. Is it cold to you? Kind of cold to me. What am I gonna watch? Knock you down. I don't think we go to the 6-foot area. Oh yeah, you can't pass the road? Go Lincoln, go! Brave out here. Getting brave. Okay, go underwater. You go underwater? Yeah. Lincoln, let me get you one going underwater. You gonna go underwater or no? Where does glasses on too? Sunglasses threw you off, huh? Hey, see the big roof? McDonald's.
No,
that roof.
Tilted roof. The green is part of All Stars.
Yeah, that's McDonald's. You can see Everest and then part of Pandora over there, CC. When you think snow, Joe blows snow something. Think Joe blows. Oh, man. Woo. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, oh, oh. Look at that.
Like every 2 turns. And
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Alright, we survived. We're taking a break. We're gonna get some food from over there, the Warming Hut. Eat something and then ride some more rides. Yeah. How was that family ride? It was good. Cece's eating some, what is that? White cheddar Cheetos. Those are the good kind too. Says it like it's food. You're salivating over food. This is good. It's the eloped pork nachos.
Oh, try this.
Oh, that's weird.
It's like a raspberry aioli or something.
Yeah.
Raspberry mayonnaise, I don't know.
Got a turkey sandwich
I'm gonna go with it. Cece,
and
did you eat
a random ranch.
Uncrustable?
Honey, good prize? Yeah, it was a good prize.
At Lincoln?
Yeah. All right, you ready? Gonna go underwater? Okay. So what y'all go ride?
We rode, what are they called? Yes, 3 slides.
Is that the ones that jump off into the 10-foot area?
No, no, they're float slides. And they, you know, you stay on your float at the end and then you jump off. What is it called? I can't think of it now, but it was 3. It was like 2 open slides and a tunnel slide. But it's nice because the floats go up, I think.
Oh, okay. Hand it. Think you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Going pretty quick. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Oh, underwater. Was it fun? Yeah, that was fun, huh? Well, Lincoln won. Lincoln beat us all. Low flying gator. Oh, he went through the wall over there. That's cool. Oh, look, it's the Lion King, Simba. Oh, that's welcome to Blizzard Beach. Have so much fun. All right, our day at Blizzard Beach is over. Did you have fun? Yeah, it was a lot of fun, but it was also hot, and our feet hurt. But it was fun. Bye.